creating a secondary site within your instance that uses a different URL. In this session we're going to look at creating a second site within our instance. Often these are used for landing pages that use a different URL. We've come to Control Center here, and at the very bottom you'll see an option called Click Here to manage options just here. If you don't see this option, then you'll need to contact the Ascends help desk, and they will need to switch on this permission for you, as it gives you access to more advanced functions within the WebGenius module. To create our secondary site, we click here on Manage Options, and then further up here on the fourth one down, it says here to manage sites and options for this instance. We click there. You'll see that there are already several other subsites set up within the Ascends instance here. So however, to create a new instance, a new site within the instance, we simply click Add Site. We need to enter a host name. Now obviously you would have registered a new domain elsewhere, and you would have that. However, if you're in that process, or while you're building the site and want to set up just a test instance before you go live, the easiest option to do that is to type in www, the name of your new site. In this case I'll just enter new site, and then the following characters, which is .wb.gs, which is like WebGenius, and this creates our test URL. So we add the site, and it now appears in our list of available sites within this instance. We can save, go back to Control Center, and you'll see here in Site Center we now have our new site available to us that we can go to by selecting it and clicking on Site Center, and here we have a new site within our instance with a totally new home page and other pages that we can start creating this new site. Once you're ready to go live with your site, we simply go to the Manage Domains function here. We enter our .com.au, or our proper URL for our live site. So let's say for this instance it's newsite.com.au. We save, and then we change over to our primary domain, which is our registered domain, and click Save. This will then make that domain the site. So there, we've created a second site within our instance.